Hello there, back to weather today's. Right now we have another slight risk of severe weather across portions of Arkansas, Tennessee, also heading to Kentucky. And all hazards are possible with within supercells. We could be seeing all hazards, and when it turns into a more linear mode, more tornadoes and damaging winds. So, and also tomorrow we have another margin risk across portions of the the upper Texas coast and East Texas into the Tennessee Valley and southeast. Basically all hazards, although hail dust can be more towards Texas and Louisiana tomorrow. And day 3, general thunder. And day 4 to 8, we'll have predictability too low. And then we have an elevated fire danger across portions of Texas, New Mexico, Colorado, and Kansas tomorrow. So anyways, looking right now, we have a strengthening low-level jet right now across portions of Arkansas and Tennessee. Which again, we have that tornado warning, although it seems to have expired now. So that's just going to be there for a tiny bit, and something to ignore. So right now, we have a strengthening 40-knot low-level jet right now from the recent Memphis vertical wind profile, and again, decent storm relative velocity and low-level bulk shear out tonight. Also decent ample low-level instability, low-level moisture, and looking at low-level instability, we're also seeing decent amount around 75 to 100 joules per kilogram, and also decent amount of instability as well, maybe around 1,000 to 1,500 joules per kilogram. So yeah, looking into the next 7 days, rainfall, we could be seeing ranges across portions of Ohio Valley up to around 3 inches of rain. Pacific Northwest as well, we could be seeing another couple inches of rain, and relative precipitation that could be up to 7 inches. And also same story really across portions of the eastern East Coast, and up to half an inch, maybe up to around 2 inches as well of relative precipitation. But tonight, we have heavy snow threat across portions of the Upper Peninsula of Michigan and much of Ontario and Quebec, associated with that system that's right now pulling off to the east. And then we have, again, confidence really on something, a decent snow event, a couple inches really of snow. So right now diminishing as we still have chances of mild precipitation, melt of snow and sleet over 0.25 inches. Seems to is now down to around 10%, maybe up to 50% at most along on the Maine coast and Massachusetts. And then looking at day 6, day 5, nothing really a lot. Decent confidence of mild snow and sleet over 2.5 inches across portions of the western coast. And then we have big streak really stretching from Colorado all the way up to Quebec, around 10 to 30%. And then as well, that moves east on day 7. We have a marginal risk tonight of excessive rainfall across portions of the Mid-South and Ohio, Tennessee valleys, around a 5 to 10% chance. Anyways, looking at GTWC's outlook right now, we have remnants of 2 west right now, at the low chance of developing the next 24 hours. So anyways, apart from this, really it, and goodbye.